Hello everyone, this video is about KT200 ECU Programmer clone ECU data in bench mode. Today we will show how to read and write ECU data and test the VW-EDC16 U31. It will also show you how to get ECU information with our included software ECUHelp. If you only have the HW number on your ECU, you can get your ECU information through ECUHelp. We will show you the whole process. Open your ECUHelp software, click ECU Info, enter HW number and click Get ECU Info to get ECU information. Now, let's open the KT200 software, click on Manuals to enter the ECU for information. Then click to select and click Info to find the wiring diagram. We need to connect the ECU via bench pinout. Click Connect. Create a new folder on the desktop. Then click Read All to select the save path and save it to the newly created folder on the desktop. When you select to read ECU data, turn on the power. Please wait patiently until the data is read completely. Save the ECU data read by the KT200 ECU Programmer in the newly created folder. Now let's change to a new ECU for connection, and select Write int flash micro and write EEPROM to write separately. Attention! If you do some ECU remapping or chip tuning, in the case of modifying the ECU data, please select Write int flash micro and write EEPROM to write separately. If the original ECU data has not been modified, you can directly select Write all to clone ECU. Write your modified ECU data and wait patiently for the writing to complete. For more information on ChipTuningKit, KT200 ECU Programmer, please visit www.chiptuningkit.com. In the next video, we will test reading and writing ECU data in JTAG mode. See you in the next video. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe and I like. Welcome to express your opinion in the comment area.